Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be reviewing quite a strange product, at least for me. So a while back I ordered one of the very popular at the time wing stamps, but I never really got to try them because nobody knows why. So here is how the packaging looks. I've never really opened it, so I don't know what to expect. From the side you can actually see how the product looks like. I suppose it's a two-way type of A2, and let's just open and see what's inside. Okay, so on the inside we have the eyeliner, which let's have a look how it looks like. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much how I imagined. So on the inside it has this type of sponge thingy which you dip the applicator in. Then we have this pretty nice brush, I would say. It's not the thinnest brush, so personally I wouldn't really do my eyeliner with it, but we're gonna try it out today. And then last but not least, we've got this applicator, which is the actual stamp, I suppose, which looks like this. And then one is for your left eye and one is for your right eye. Now the issue I have with this is that yes, the idea is very, very good and it would be perfect in theory. However, everybody's eyes are different, so what I've learned is that in makeup there is no such thing as one size fits all. To be honest, I don't really have very high hopes for this, but we're gonna give it a go. So as you can see, I've already done my makeup apart from my eyeliner and mascara. So if I mess up, I'm just gonna have to redo my eye makeup. Okay, so I've got the eyeliner and then I've got the stamp. So we're just going to dip it in. Oh, that is completely dry. It is potentially my fault because this has been sitting in my cupboard for a while now, but I'm just gonna try to take off the sponge thing and see if there's any ink left on the bottom. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. All right then. So guys, if you buy this, use it while you still can, because as you can see, that is pretty dry.
A few moments later.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of my eyeliners, and I'm going to take the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner 24 hours, and then I don't know if I should dip it in or paint it on. Okay, let's just dip it in. See what happens. Okay, that is not gonna work because my eyeliner on the inside is pretty uneven. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use the little brush and then paint that on the actual stamp. As you can see, I'm trying to give this a pretty fair shot purely because the eyeliner has dried out from sitting in my cupboard for quite a bit. I've got the eyeliner on the stamp and now I'm just going to zoom you in. Okay, I'm really scared. Yep, that did absolutely nothing.
One eternity later.
Okay. It's not as bad as I expected. Probably this more or less fits my eye shape. Let's do it on the other eye as well. Okay, now if this doesn't turn out even, bad. Honestly, it's not that bad. Maybe this one is a little bit higher than I imagined. But overall, it's not that bad. Just to give you guys a closer look, this turned out not so bad. It's a little bit too thick for my liking, but it's actually alright. I honestly had such low expectations for this that I'm pretty pleasantly surprised. And then the right one that I did, I did it a little bit too high than I would like, but it's still pretty okay. I might be able to fix that with a brush. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to grab my gel eyeliner and the little brush that came in the box, and then I'm just going to finish off my wing. Just to give you guys a closer look, it's not that bad. Honestly, it's not that bad. Okay guys, now that I've done my wings, I will pop on some mascara and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to zoom you in so you can see the final result. I will just be looking down in the mirror and giving you my thoughts. That is thick AF. Especially this one. I had to fill in the inside of the wing with the little brush that it came in, and to be honest, the brush wasn't quite bad. For a beginner especially, I think it should be pretty alright. But that stamp, Jesus Christ. It would definitely have to be a no for me, purely because the idea is good, but what they didn't think through is that this would definitely not work for everybody, and it definitely didn't work for me. So my overall thoughts is that it actually took me 3 times the amount of time to do my wing than when I would do it just as I do it regularly. It's a great experience if you want to give it a try, so I'm not gonna say not to buy this product, but personally for me that didn't work. It might work for you, but for me it just didn't. The eyeliner was dried out. I've had this for about 6 months, but still it shouldn't really dry that fast. This stamp is a bit too big for me, and although it's a great idea, it's just not executed very well. Potentially if there were a few other different shapes or sizes, could potentially find the one that's best for me, but the one I have is just a bit too thick. So overall it would be a no for me. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. If you did enjoy, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and do stick around because in the next few days I have some very interesting videos planned out which I think you'll definitely like. So that's it from me on the eyebrow stamp. Will not be using it again, but I'll see you on the next one.